Remember the old gaming phones? The ones that looked like they were designed by a 14-year-old on a sugar rush? Chunky, loud, covered in more RGB than a Christmas tree? Fun, sure, but mature. Not really. It feels like RedMagic looked at that whole era, gave a little nod and said, "Cool story. Now watch this." Because the new RedMagic 12 Pro feels like a turning point. This is the moment gaming phones stopped screaming for attention and started whispering danger. At first glance, this thing is shockingly clean. We're talking flat glass, razor-straight aluminum sides, and zero curves trying to be cute. It's industrial poetry, like a katana forged out of pixels. And look at this front the under display. Selfie camera is back, which means the entire front is just screen, no hole punch, no notch, no distractions. It's got that old school pure full screen energy, exactly the way the phone gods intended. Then you flip it around and boom, the signature RedMagic style. Transparent accents, subtle RGB lighting, and that iconic spinning cooling fan staring back at you like an exposed engine block on a supercar. It isn't flashy. It's confident. It knows what it can do, and it doesn't need to yell about it. The display is built for one thing: war. It's a massive AMOLED panel, buttery smooth with a high refresh rate, and tuned for pure speed. This isn't a display for scrolling Instagram and vibing. This is a reaction time weapon. Touches feel instantaneous. Scrolling feels almost illegally fluid. Games don't just load, they snap into existence. If you've ever died in a game and blamed input lag, well, this phone just took away your favorite excuse. Inside, it's absolute madness. We're talking the latest Snapdragon flagship chip, paired with a ridiculous amount of RAM. Not just enough RAM, but the kind of why does a phone even need this much? RAM? Apps don't reload. Games never stutter. Multitasking on this feels disrespectful to weaker phones. This device doesn't warm up, it just locks in and goes. And a huge part of that is the cooling, the RedMagic signature. Let's talk about that fan. Yes, it's real. Yes, it actually spins. And yes, it absolutely works. Combined with a sophisticated liquid cooling system and multiple layers of heat dissipation, the RedMagic 12 Pro stays cool when other phones are begging for mercy. Long gaming sessions. You get stable frame rates, no thermal drama, no performance drops. This is where RedMagic is still playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. Of course, you get the features built by people who actually game. The ultrasonic shoulder triggers are here and better than ever. The GameSpace software is completely dialed in. No. Is it perfectly sharp, usable, and great for daily life? Absolutely. Respect. It's got a clean design, savage performance, and cooling that actually works. Gaming phones just grew up, and it looks like RedMagic is leading the class.